Copy.ai Writing Assistant, 45, 1 Martin 48. First up is Copy. Your personal copywriter that never sleeps. Imagine this. You need a blog post, an Instagram caption, or even an entire sales email. And instead of stressing for hours, you type in a few keywords and copy. AI spits out a polished version in seconds. Now here's the crazy part. Businesses are paying real money for this kind of content every single day. A simple blog article can go for $50 to $100 on freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. That's money for something you didn't even have to write yourself. And don't worry if you're not a professional writer. Copy.ai has templates for almost everything. Ads, product descriptions, social posts, website copy, you name it. All you have to do is enter a short description, click generate, and boom, you've got content ready to go. Pro tip, offer social media content packs to small businesses, like a bundle of 20 Instagram captions or Facebook posts. Using Copy. You can create those in under an hour and charge at least $50. That's like being paid while the AI does 90% of the work. Copy.ai, your AI writing assistant, 45, 140. Let's start with Copy. Your tireless copywriter available anytime. Picture this. You require a blog post, an Instagram caption, or a comprehensive sales email. Instead of wasting hours in frustration, simply input a few keywords and in seconds, copy. AI generates a refined piece for you. Now, here's the astonishing part. Businesses are spending real money on this type of content daily. A straightforward blog article can fetch between $50 to $100 on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. That's income for something you didn't even have to compose yourself. No need to fret if writing isn't your forte. Copy.ai provides templates for nearly everything. Ads, product descriptions, social media posts, website content, the list goes on. All you need to do is input a brief description, hit generate, and just like that, you have content at your fingertips. Pro tip, consider offering social media content packs to small businesses, like a set of 20 Instagram captions or Facebook posts. With Copy. You can create these in less than an hour and charge at least $50. It's like earning money while the AI handles 90% of the workload.